everybody. I have a quick craft for us today that's gonna help us calm down. Sometimes we just get so excited or we get scared. And we just need help taking a deep breath and remembering that we're safe and secure. So today we're gonna make something called an I Spy box that helps our brain calm down. Are you ready? Let's make it. This is something that's fun to play with and cool to make, but it can also help us calm down when our thoughts in our head are just going like a racetrack. We're just thinking so fast and so much, it's hard to relax. The I Spy box can give us something to focus on for a little while until we can calm down a little bit. Let me show you. Here's two that I made already. They're full of sand. You can bring them to a corner or your fort or your bed or somewhere you feel nice and safe and shake them until you start to see some different things. I see a red turtle and 1, 2, 3 green beads. In this box, I see a birthday candle. 1, 2, 3 orange beads and some kind of creature. Oh, an orange seal. That's so fun. Let me show you how to make this. First, you need some sort of container that's clear. Then you need some things to put in there. I'm going to put in some green beads and maybe some of these cool sea animal beads. A whale, a pink turtle, and maybe a green seal. You can put other things in that you find around your house. Keys, birthday candles, paper clips, change, just little things that will fit in your box. The lighter the things are, the easier they'll be able to find when you shake your box. I'm gonna try some glitter in this box. And then I'm going to add sand. You could use sand from your sandbox if you want. I'm gonna use this white sand for this one. Fill your box until it's about 3/4 of the way full, not all the way to the top. Your objects need room to shake around. Where'd they all go? We'll spy them in a minute. You need an adult's help for this part. Use hot glue or super glue to go all the way around the rim of your box so that it stays shut. Once your glue is on, shut your box. When your glue is dry, it's time to spy. Let's shake it and see what we can find. What do you see? A blue whale, a green seal, a little bit of a turtle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green beads. Let's keep going. Whoa! I see a lot more green beads. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 green beads. Can you believe it? Now we get to start again. How many beads do you see this time? It's good to make your I Spy box, maybe when you're not worried, just when you're having a great day, so that it's ready to go when you need a little help relaxing. Put it in a space that you feel safe and calm, so that next time you need a little bit of a break, you have something to look at and focus on, count, and observe. Plus, it's just really fun to shake something sometimes. Remember, no matter how you're feeling, your feeling probably makes a lot of sense. There's a lot going on right now. A lot of feelings all at once. Happy, excited, sad, mad, confused, scared. All of those feelings fit. The best things to do are to take some time and maybe sit in a comfy spot and play with an I Spy box maybe to calm down so that you can really think about how you're feeling and why. Maybe you need to be with a good friend for a while, or maybe you need to talk to an adult about how you're feeling. Maybe they could help you understand it. I don't know. What I do know is that we're going to make it. I'll see you next time.